All right, we're gonna take a little cruise here in a land yacht. We got a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. Thing's giant, but it's comfortable. You know, you can take a bunch of friends with you. You got, basically it's a 6-passenger car. It's got power steering. It's got updated power disc brakes on front. A lot of guys like to do that because they're a heavy car and they had drum brakes. So with disc brakes, they won't fade or, you know, get hot or anything like that, or get wet. They'll actually still work. But the engine's been upgraded to a 429. I think it came with a 352 according to the VIN number. Still a big Ford V8, but this one's got the 429 in it, 4-barrel carburetor. It's got a 3-0 ratio differential, a 3-speed automatic transmission. Also added some aftermarket gauges in there, some Stewart Warner gauges. Got good oil pressure. Seems to run nice and cool, doesn't burp or spit any coolant after you've been driving it for a while. It's got the original radio that's been customized. What they do is they take the guts out of them and make them so you can listen to modern radio. So it's got FM, it also has a cable you hook up to your phone, listen to music off your phone. It's got a power top, the top's in good shape. It's got a plastic rear window that's still nice and clear. You can see out the back there. Got a Shelby Style steering wheel. Just pretty cool, you know. I mean, it's not a Mustang, so it's not 50 grand. We got it listed for $19,900. There's some financing available if you want to finance it. We take some trades. You know, just an inexpensive kind of fun cruiser for summer. You live in a place where you can put the top down. It's awesome, you know. Very smooth. It's got some custom chrome wheels on there. Yeah, kind of unique. They're not really early style. I mean, you could do something different if you want, but it's all very personal. If you like them, awesome. If you don't, get some new wheels for it. Anyhow, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and videos so you can get a better look at it. All right, I'm gonna walk around here with our 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. That's a whole lot of car right there. Surprisingly, drives very easy though. It's got a five body trunk. Currently registered to the state of California. Nice solid car underneath. You know, the body's nice and straight. Not a real expensive paint job, but it was done a while ago. Still looks good. Could maybe color sand it, have it come back a little bit more shine. But looks good. All the trim is good. And some of these cars, it's nice when they're complete and all the chrome and the trim is in good shape, because it's harder to find. They don't reproduce the chrome pieces for this car. So when they're in good shape, one less thing to worry about. I mean, the grill is nice and straight, the bumpers, the chrome is all good. All the lights work, signals, horn, wipers, even got the stainless steel wipers on there. Custom wheels. Interior's nice too. I mean, you know, the seats are in good shape. And it's got some custom gauges down there. I mentioned the radio earlier. It's been modified to work. You know, it looks like the old radio, but inside it's got FM. Kind of cool. Or plug your phone into it, listen to your music. But the dash is in nice shape, seats are comfortable. Got a little bit of sun damage on the top of the rear seats here. It's kind of what happens when you have convertibles. You leave the top down a lot. But it's power top. Top works great. So power steering, power brakes, power top. Total cruiser. Ready to take your friends out in it for the weekend. Here's the power plant in the 65 Galaxie 500. Like I said earlier, I think originally, according to the VIN, it was a 352 V8, and it probably got tired or blew up or something, so they opted for a 429. Pretty cool. Bigger's better, right? Got an Edelbrock carburetor on it. You know, a couple chrome goodies, but other than that, kind of stock under the hood. Updated power disc brakes, which really make a difference on a heavy car like this. It actually stops. It's got factory power steering. Factory cooling system seems to work really well. Doesn't run hot or anything like that. Go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice and smooth. I got a little stack of records on this one too. Been serviced and taken care of. Nice guy and his family, local here. Used to cruise it and take it to the beach, go to lunch, whatever. Real fun. But you know, times change. You got added members to the family and other obligations. Time to sell the classic car sometimes. Good looking car, runs good. The dual exhaust sounds great too, not obnoxious. Quiet enough not to bother you, but you can still hear it. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. My phone number is 818-591-1313, and my name is Rich. You can give me a call. We can talk about the car. If you want to come out, we'll take it for a spin, give you the tour. Thanks for watching.